from the time of arrest to the time the accused person has been brought before you, Your Honor, there have been grave violations of his rights. The accused person, Your Honor, was assaulted in a very bad way. First of all, the officer assaulted this accused person in his own vehicle. I will just summarize that as manhandled. I don't want to go past that. But what he did in that car, we will summarize it as manhandled. And it is something that is not right. Something that can make someone go berserk. And that is why he wishes for the day that he'll deal with this case. And all this will come out before the court and the public that is being geared to vilify him. At the point of arrest, and they took pictures, again, it's very unfortunate. I have them, but we will tender them. And we want to have a process after this. But they actually molested him in his own house, in the house of the mother, that he fainted 2 times at that particular house.